what is going on, guys. It's currently like 5:45 in the morning and it's pitch dark out. We are heading up to Heber City to meet up with some buddies, and then up to Strawberry Reservoir to ice fish and try to catch some cutthroat trout and even possibly some landlocked kokanee salmon that are in there. So it's gonna be a really rad video today, so stick with it, see if we can't catch some really big cutthroat. Alrighty, what's going on, everybody? We are on the lake. We popped one hole. We're sitting at 55 feet. We're marking a little bit of fish. Drew's gonna go down and see if he can't catch something real quick. We're gonna get up the big shack, get all set up, and hopefully have a hell of a day. So stick with it, baby. What's going on? We got all set up in here. We got the deucer here going to the middle so we can see all 4 holes. We got Dylan, we got Sanders. Yes, we're gonna try to catch some fish. Right now we're fishing at 55 feet. We'll see if we can catch a fish. Let's go! Let's go, Wes! First fish of the day! Yeah, let's go! Let's go!
You like that?
Yeah.
Alright, that's big, man.
Let's go! He's hooked
Got
up!
him off the bottom, baby.
Off the
Now
bottom.
they're bigger off the bottom.
Right in the lip. Nice. Oh. Did you see how high up this is? Let's go!
Hey, attaboy.
Oh, I gotta tighten the drag! Ah!
Get him in.
Let's go!
Holy, that's
Let's go, dude. Boom. First fish. So awesome. Look at the cuts in there. I can't really see them. Look at those cuts. So awesome. Woo.
boom! Boom!
Let's go, baby. That's another one. Oh. 17 and a half. Boom. 17 and a half inches. Tail's all jacked up. That's pretty cool. Woo. Let's go. Dude, that was so dope. He came in and was like looking at it and wanted to turn away, and I just tapped it once. He gave it, just slapped it. Dude, you set that through the roof, Wes. I don't mean to brag, but I've got the most. So.
Yeah.
As I said.
He was looking for it.
There he is, Drew West. The one.
Please don't come on.
Wes is having a hard day.
You.
He's hooked up. If he doesn't get it through the hole, he's not hooked up anymore. Let's go. He's hooked.
Oh, he sure did.
Oh! Nice. We got a nice rainbow right underneath the hole. Call it a 17-inch rainbow. Super thick though. Oh! Oh! No! Oh! Doubled up! We gotta get a double pick or a double vid. Get him out of here. That looks little. Or does it feel big? Oh, oh.
Let me see. You see your body there? What you seeing there? Easy.
Let's go!
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
So dope.
Oh, both sides. What the heck? They like didn't grow in or something.
Oh, weird.
Oh man.
That's a good.
They're like the same.
They're literally identical fish. What are they, both sitting at 16 and a half?
Yeah.
Both sitting at 16 and a half, all right. Yeah, boys. All right, get them back. Same hole. Yup. Yup. Let's go. Hope he's on.
Huge. You didn't see that?
He goes to meat. There he is. He's on me. Oh my gosh. The clip I just got. Oh, a tiny one just came through.
He's on. Oh, there's a micro. There's a wave. Dude, it's like a knocked up.
Oh, there's the little one's on me.
He tore it down. Wow. I just dropped. Oh, yeah, you see him.
Where's mine? Oh, shoot. Oh, he's big.
He looks pretty big, yeah. He's barely hooked, it looks like, too.
Oh, that's a nice fish, dude. Careful with it. Careful with it. Let's go, Wes.
Chunk.
They're gone.
17.
I'd say pitch the tail 17 and a half. That's a good fish, man. Hold that puppy up if you can. Oh, he's looking at it. Oh, he's still in it. Oh!
Nice.
Let's go. Oh, I know. Holy crap.
It was on that thing, that bug.
Yeah, dude. Let's go!
Ooh, that's pretty good.
That was awesome. We got it with the whole cam. That was pretty rad. Stop, please. Boom. 18. Let's go. Woo. Let's go. Oh, that might be biggest of the day. $19.25. Biggest fish so far. Out of the way. Oh, these bad boys. Yeah. Out of bay. Get him back. Woo. That's a thick boy.
Oh, he's already up.
He's off and he's in. Oh my gosh, dude.
There's two of them.
Wes?
Yeah,
Wes got one, baby.
Eddie Gang.
I think he's big too.
Ooh!
That's a big fish, Wes. Yeah. Oh. That's what I'm saying, man. Yeah. That's awesome.
Alright, man, back to the bottom for me.
Dude, he's big. Holy
Come on, man, don't lose.
Get out, get out! Oh, hey, he's not that big. Were they both? Okay.
I don't know what that is.
Boom. Oh, get back. Oh, he missed it. Yes! Come on.
Oh, he's
Still there. Wait, that's a different one, dude. How? Dude, I don't understand. Oh.
Get it?
Yeah. Come on, Wes.
Double up.
Oh my.
Oh, I do not want that treble in my hand. Hey, hey.
Hurry up.
Ooh, let's go.
Now, see, I was on the drop.
Oh. Double up, baby. Let's go. Ooh, oh, he's there.
Let me reel him in, man.
Oh,
That's pretty thick at least.
that's a wide one.
I'm getting.
Oh, okay.
Alright, get him over here.
Oh, the fish drop.
No!
Oh,
No!
oh.
Mine's going!
No! Bro, the carnage. Is yours gone, Wes? All right, we caught 3 at once. They're really slippery. Ah! Let's go. 3 at once.
Let's go, baby.
What the heck, man? You gotta get one. Let's go.
That was wild.
Let's go, Wes. 3. There you go. You can get him in. Oh.
Long.
That's a long boy. You are measuring that fish.
You got him.
20. That's 20 for sure.
Damn.
Nice, dude. Heck yeah. Biggest one of the day. Again, you matched the one you already had, so. Hell yeah.
Tighten up the gosh dang drag, man.
Double.
Hey, talk to me when you run your 7s, okay?
Why do you want me to talk to you?
Hey, that looks
Whatever
nice. Whatever you want, man.
They both look nice.
Woo! Doubles, baby!
That's a good looking jig.
Look at those cuts. So awesome. Let's see yours in there. Come on over. Yeah. What, that's double number like 3, and then we had the triple. Yeah. So awesome. Oh, let's go. He's huge. It's so big, bro. Okay, maybe not. Never mind.
That's pretty.
Boom. Good looking. Another one. You. Oh! Put it in reverse pair. I'll take. Oh. Still wants it. Come here, little guy. Get more. This one. Oh, holy crap. Oh, there's two. There's three. There he is. There's another big one down there. Probably one of my smallest ones of the day. Let's get him back. That was awesome. Big boy. Oh, you see him?
Nice.
Got him.
Yep. Boy.
Let's go.
That a boy.
No! Right at the hole! Oh!
Brad, you're going in on me right now.
Boom.
Okay.
The boys hooked up. Fish number. Right now we're gonna start making a little bit of dinner slash what is it like lunch sorta.
Yeah.
Wes is trying to sight fish one. Let's see if he can't pull one right out of here.
I don't want you.
Oh! Let's see how high up to the hole I can get him. What, 4 feet under the hole right here? This is insane. Look at this. Oh, there's a big one. Oh! We got two. We got one on. Let's get him through the hole. Let's go. Double that.
Here, I got you.
Yeah, he wants to go back.
Nice.
Okay. Let's go, Wes. It's heating up. All right, well. Oh, that's a nice. Yeah, for real. Dylan got another one. I was just in the middle of roasting a wiener. And hooked up. West has missed probably 10. And he doesn't want to talk about it. Out of the way.
Dog in peace.
Keep it up. Beauty. Nice. Look at that. Another one. First one since dinner. Boom. He's on. Let's go. That was perfect, dude. Let's see it. Yep. Don't drop it. Yep.
You might want to just freaking use like Daddy Gaines is cold mode.
There we go. Oh. Oh, he doesn't like where I'm bringing him. Hey, I'm very pleasantly surprised with my little creature larva looking deals. Boom. Dude, look at the orange. That's so sick. Oh, come on.
Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful. That orange is
That guy freaking took it on the way down.
Yeah. Let's go. Number 4. Get him up here. Come on. Keep it in, baby. Fish number 4 on the day. Come on, Ted. Dude, it's putting up a fight. Ooh.
What, you got no millworm Daddy Gaines?
Yeah.
Yo. Oh, dude. I didn't even feel the hook set. I was just bringing it up to see if I had my worm, dude. That felt. You know what? I bet I foul hooked him. We're gonna go with I foul hooked him. Dude, what is going on here? I'm like setting the hook in the... That was a hook set, baby!
Come on! Damn, that was a hook set. Come on, man. Oh, yeah. Inject that into my veins. Dude, inject that straight. Just. Yes! Show the people at home. Yup. So how are ya? Yeah. Yeah, that's a length. That's a pretty length. Yup.
What's going on?
I'm so glad it's not one.
That was an absolutely insane day ice fishing out here on Strawberry Reservoir. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed all the fish we caught. If you enjoyed it and you want to see something cool and specific, leave a comment and I'll try to get to it. And if you enjoyed the channel, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace.